this is famous road, and here I think very nice. Beautiful place to go.
Ah, this is some replica of something. This is about this shrine, no?
This is this
That's
shrine.
the main shrine.
Main shrine. This one is main shrine.
Oh, okay.
We will go there. Heisei Emperor.
Acha, His Highness, huh? His Highness.
Is here just right now till next year.
Next year.
Next year May will change to the sun.
Oh, beautiful.
And his voice.
Okay.
This is the shogun
Okay.
who lived here, his residence, and his advisor or teacher, nun, taking care of him.
What is this?
This says somewhere ceiling.
Room. Okay. Okay, we'll be going inside there.
When he born, already prepared for that
Okay.
house, and this is decoration for the newborn baby.
Okay.
It says ceiling though.
First, second, third, huh?
Third,
Okay.
and shogun.
Everything is in Japanese, no? So very difficult to understand what's written there.
This is cargo.
Cargo, old time. No, you
Old
sit
time.
here. This is beautiful, you know. Only the style has changed. We also used to have this. We call it this particular palki. This room.
Here, up to here. Ceiling.
Oh yeah, that's the decoration, no? Now I know.
His baby's room.
Okay.
もう色がちょっとあれだね、飛んでるね、少しね。でもだいぶあれだね、綺麗になってる。この間より。
あ、そう。
前来た時はもうちょっとつけてる。少しずつ直してるみたいだね。ちょっとずつ変えた。
Sorry, I took photograph. The bathroom. Okay.
Yes, yes.
It's written there.
Interesting.
This is the bathroom, huh? Oh, they have rooms, separate rooms inside. Interesting. Birds, please. gardens are really beautiful, huh?
Japanese
Ah,
garden.
really. They have this beautiful
Valley.
landscaping.
Maybe spring, May, and
Okay.
autumn, October will be
Look,
flowering.
so beautiful. I haven't seen such thing in my life.
You can see baby's hand, the leaves, five, like a finger. We call that tree momiji.
Okay, momiji, yeah?
And in autumn it's time to be red and yellow and.
Are these the cherry trees? Cherry trees they call in English. Huh?
No, this one cherry tree.
This one is
sakura,
cherry tree.
sakura.
Okay, sakura.
This one is sakura, but that's
Different.
leaf shapes like
Palm.
fingers, hand, yeah.
It's beautiful.
Teacher of
yeah.
shogun. Monk.
The garden is beautiful. So so many stickers, huh? People have stood. It means something. No? You ask for some wish.
Most of these stickers is men's or women's name.
Oh,
For example, small wrestler's name
okay.
and comedian's name.
Now I know.
Their own name maybe.
Okay. We can take pictures here.
Yeah, no forbidden. More than 500 statues. And all face and movement is different.
Right,
Different.
Beautiful. Take a run.
Yes. I had to keep this figure is very difficult because times and it's breakable.
Right,
This
right.
stone is very soft and very breakable.
That's why there's this thing. Some
So
places.
that's why these
Eroding.
peaks and peaks. So it's difficult to keep like
Right,
this.
Mm.
Costs a lot.
Right. Oh, with the flute, huh? And then with the garland.
Yes. I had this man called name is Lakan-san. Lakan.
Lakans.
All same man.
Oh, same, right.
Same monk.
Oh, monks.
But different.
This one with the shell. This is a shell, isn't it? Here is a dog. Oh, dog.
dogs and fish and frog.
Yeah,
All
frog too.
different situation.
The snake is also there. So many animals. Okay. The snake is there, and this is dog head, I think.
Or monkey.
Okay, okay. See, this is tiger, lion. What is this? Tiger, something. Very nice bell.
Madu-san, I take picture of you.
Oh,
Okay. Hi. Cheese.
please. Thank you. I have you recorded in my this. I'm recording you. Your voice is all in this
Really?
in this
This is
video.
My bro.
So my guide here is
I like to see your YouTube last day.
yeah. I'll definitely
yesterday.
I'll send you the link because right now I'm not doing it because I'll have to take this out and I need a laptop for this. I'll go back home. I'll upload everything. Then I'll send you the link. Okay. Beautiful. This is like the old monk, very old, with a stick. There are so many, huh? In all, how
So
many?
many more.
400.
More than 500.
More
I
than
heard.
500.
Mm.
Oh.
So this called 500 Lakan-san.
Oh, 500 lakans.
Lakan is his name.
Hydrangea is also. We can't have these in my place where I stay. It's Rajasthan, that is desert.
Desert.
So these things
no.
don't grow there.
Mm.
If you go towards northeast or towards the Himalayas, further north in the hills, then you find lots.
In the mountain.
Yeah.
You are recording now.
I have been recording all through. This is nice.
Which Lakan-san do you like?
I like all of them.
I like.
This one? Oh. Oh, right. Why is he doing this?
He's one. No way.
No, nobody understands, huh? Fool, I'm talking to a fool.
This is monkey.
Ah, yeah. This is one.
And
Bottle,
sake.
Sake. Oh, I had sake one day. I went to this Ikebukuro. I had sake. I said I want to try sake.
So you
Local
went
wine.
back.
These are all standing. Those are all sitting. Huh? Because this is the main. one elephant and another one, I don't know what.
Buddha.
No, there is one elephant, somebody on elephant, and this side is another animal, I don't know what animal. What do you call that?
Shaka
Saka.
or Buddha.
This is good.